Hey guys, today I will be unboxing Babyflo. I got her from Tuesday morning for $20 and her original price is actually $46.99, so about $47. So I think that's a really good deal actually. I love Tuesday morning. I found one of my loved Breyer horses there. And so let's snip her out of the box, I guess. Only one cut. Must bend back these things to get her out safely. Oh, jeez, that squeak. I don't like that. There we go. And if any of you wanted to read the back of the box, there's that. Okay. I forgot to get my pliers. Okay, I got my pliers, so let me just clip her out. I'll start with her stand. Pliers are like the best to get pliers out of boxes. It's amazing. Got her stand out. I like the hoof prints it has on it, all the extra hoof prints. Alright, carefully unbox the model. Oh, forgot one on her hoof. Ugh. Struggle. I'm gonna just get this one from the back. Oh, you know what? I could just... Oh, jeez. There we go. I really hope she doesn't have any box rips. Oh, she's so pretty. I will be renaming her because I don't really like to use the original names too much. Okay, let me put her on her stand. Oh, that's not good. Wow, but I've never had one with a stand before. It's actually really sturdy. Alright guys, so here's my Babyflo. I don't see any bad marks with her. The lighting's really bad in here. The stand kind of wouldn't go in. Her legs are a little bit outspread, so I hope that doesn't affect anything too much. She's got a few like white dust marks on her, but I think she's perfect, almost. Yay! I'm gonna look a little bit more in more light and see if she's PSQ or LSQ. Hey guys, so after a little bit further examination, I would say she has no super visible flaws. There might be some that I just can't see, but I would say, I don't personally show, but I would say she could probably show. I don't know if she'd win anything, but she could be there. And definitely photo show. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching me unbox my Babyflo. And I'll have a new name for her on my amino. You guys will see that soon. Thank you very much for watching. Farewell.